Okay, guys. So Arbcore. Okay. So this is a real Arbcore account. I signed up. No, actually, this is one of my friend's accounts. Right, he gave me access to it just to check things. So I went to streaming. So I'm guessing this is what people talk about when they talk about actual trades, right? The only fishy thing about this is coming soon, feature coming soon. So I wonder when this soon is coming, right? But anyway, look, these guys don't show you exactly how many Solana coins are traded. It only shows the dollar amount. Okay, this amount, this amount. They don't actually show you the gains. So this is fake as hell. Like normally when you show trading proof or showing a feed from an exchange, right? You can use the APIs and show it here. But these guys don't do that, right? This is just a table of content, static, not even like moving like other actual trades. Here, everything's fake, right? So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna save this as, okay. I'm gonna save it, okay. First, I'm gonna save that. You can save this file, and then the next thing is, okay, it's downloaded. Let me go here, and I can actually view the page source here as well. Okay, so this doesn't show you the things because this is like a page where the other assets are hidden somewhere else. But let me show you this. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload. I downloaded that, right? So let me go here, and I'm gonna open it. Okay, this is the file that I downloaded, and look at this. I'm going to, because I couldn't find the code on page source. Let's see the downloader file has it. Okay, I'm going to open this, open it with Notepad 22, right? It gives you the codes. As you can see, Arbcore. This is coming from Arbcore, okay? Arbcore website, their code, okay? Let's see what you can see. This is just the styling sheet, right, for the table, right? Wallet. Styling sheet for that page, okay? Font family Binance. Okay, I didn't know that there was a thing called Binance. And then wait until page fully loads. Important. Find the correct table body. Okay, there you go. I told you there's a table. Buy, sell, random. Okay. Table, children. I don't even know what those. Look, fucking hell. How stupid can somebody be to leave a note like this? Fake balance. This is in their fucking website, right? This is the script. Fucking hell, man. Look how dumb these motherfuckers are to leave this here. I'm sure once I upload this to YouTube, when they see it, they're going to remove this code. Wow. Function, fake balance growth. Inject trades into the website. That's what I'm thinking. Fake balance, son of a bitch. These guys are stupid as fuck. Think about this, man. Look, son of a gun. Let me, oh my goodness. Let me try to open this, okay, on Google Chrome. Give me a second. Okay. Look at that. This is just a table. Let me refresh that again. Right? This is just a table of content. This is not a feed. And as you can see, right? What? Look at that. Damn it. Now, because it's a hyperlink, it links back to the website. But as you can see, oh my goodness, this is just a table, man. This is not a live feed coming from anywhere else. Right? And then I just showed you the code. It's his fake trade inject. Oh, I don't know what's the exact name. Fake balance growth. Fake balance. Inject trades. Fucking hell, man. This is a fucking scam. Right? Now look, if you look at Polar Tenso, or if you look at so many other opportunities that say that they are trading. They go to the trading history and show a trade, and then they come to the back office of the website. If they have a live stream or showing any sort of trades, they will actually show you the time of the trade and how many Solana coins they have sold. Here they don't even show you the exact amount of Solana coins they have sold. They're only showing a dollar figure. This is not how you show these trades, right? It should be the amount of Solana coins. Okay, we sold 10 Solanas, right? And then the profit is 11 Solana. So you know that. Now this is the dollar figure. So we don't even know exactly what was the price of Solana when they did this trade, right? Because if they show you that, then we can actually go to Gate.io or Mexi or wherever BitGet and verify, okay, at that time, how much was the price of the token, right? Now here, you can't do that because they only show you the dollar value, not the amount of tokens, right? They show you the dollar growth, not the actual token growth. And on top of that, we can't verify this because these guys are fucking bullshitting here, as you can see, right? If you put a hash ID, you can actually go there and see, look, anybody can move crypto from one location. Let's say that for argument's sake, positive, the best case scenario that they are actually trading, right? Now they are showing actual numbers saying that they are winning, but we can't verify it, right? If they actually provide us the hash ID, we can go to the actual blockchain and see whether this was actual winning trade where you actually made profits, right? They don't know that. They don't show you that. Even Boomerang, the worst scam out there, showed blockchain proof. These guys don't even show you that because they don't want us to go to the blockchain because they know we can actually verify it, right? They might show it in a exchange trading history, but then again, you can't check one-to-one and see that this is real or not. This is not even live feed. Probably they must be, showing in the trade history that they are trading something, and then they copy and paste those tables into this back office. It's not a live feed, right? So even if they show you the trading, we don't know whether it's actual winning trade or not. They might be trading, but we don't know whether it's a trading positive trade or not, right? But who cares about that? This clearly says it's fake growth. I'm going to upload this. As soon as I upload this, I can guarantee you this shit is going to hit the fan and this is going to collapse. I'm sure they will delete this coding. Whoever made this website, right? Now, as a web developer, when you're creating something, you leave notes. Okay, this is what's happening here. So the next developer can identify exactly what's going on. But these stupid idiots didn't realize that we can actually download the file and see the code. Some web designers, some web developers don't allow you to right click on it, right? You can write a code where you can't right click it and save it. But these guys have allowed it. Now we can see these guys are fucking around with fake. Man, this is shit. Okay, so I didn't see that in the coding, right? But what I did was I uploaded that file that I downloaded and I asked ChatGPT, show me if these trades are real. Create a clone of this file and display it for demonstration, right? So I wanted to show you that these guys have showing fake trades, right, in the back office. So show clearly, okay, so they're giving me instructions. Are those trades real? Short answer, no, they are not. They are not verifiable, therefore not real trades, right? Proof, okay. Exchange order ID, verifiable? No, can't verify it. API trace, there's no API. Matching price, that exact timestamp. There's no timestamp either. They don't let you see the time because if you go to exchange, you can see at any given time what was the price of a certain coin. So for example, if Solana is, I don't know, let's say argument's sake, $86, I don't know what the price is. So then you can divide 54,223 and 22 cents by $86, and then you can figure out what the Solana amount is, right? But since we don't have a timestamp, they only give you a date. The reason why they only give you the date is because they don't want you to find out exactly what the price is, whether it's a real trade or not. So everything's fake. Man, if you can fake something like this, that means everything else is fake. So we are just these guys are running a Ponzi scheme, and everybody's promoting it like this is the most legit thing out there. I mean, no offense to Vlad. Vlad should know this, right? How many projects has he done? Like everybody else, like we all promote things, and eventually certain things collapse, right? But you should have experience to fucking go through this and figure out whether it's a scam or not. Ask correct questions from these guys. Nobody's asking questions from the guy. I watched this Zoom video that George shared with me. Another guy goes to ChatGPT and asks, oh, is this possible to make this sort of results in arbitrage? No, you can't. ChatGPT will give you stupid answers, right? When you train ChatGPT to give you a certain answer, ChatGPT will spit that out, right? So arbitrage is not profitable like back in the day. You can't pay 1.2% for $4 million or $5 million. You can't trade $5 million at any given day and make that sort of profit from arbitrage. So they are running a Ponzi. I knew it. And then this proves it's fake trading. As soon as I upload it, I guarantee you these guys are going to delete this from the code. Okay. So fake. And once I uploaded this, I asked them to create a simulation, right? Right. So it created a simulation by taking the same data. Okay. Same data from the thing. Look at this. Okay. I'm going to run this. Crazy. I can download this code. Okay. I just downloaded it. Okay. Let me run this. Okay. So this is running without internet. This is on my local, right, computer. Now, obviously, it's not gonna show a similar back office because this is just a HTML file without the styling sheet, so you can't make it look exactly the same. But this is how people create fake trades, right? So I can tell you, oh, this is real trading. How the fuck can you verify this? Because you can't press none of these. Right? These IDs are useless, but at least here it shows you the time, right? If this is a real trade, you can check, okay, this time bought this much of, what you can do is this time you can go to exchange, Mexi or Bybit and see how much was the Solana coin at that time. And then you divide this amount from the Solana amount. That's how you verify it, right? But here, this is like a bullshit because they don't show you nothing. They show you fuck all. Right? This will never come. This I can guarantee you that. So please don't fall for this. Take a risk, that's fine, but don't lie to your downline and bring people into a system just to make some commission. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube so I can expose this and show people what a fucking scam that these guys are running. Anyway, let's make some enemies.